I think we've set the bar a little bit higher than the past. The kids have worked tremendously hard. Our numbers are, better than they've ever been. So we've got pretty high expectations for ourselves to take each game and give the best account that we can.
I expect our team to work hard, never give up, working hard every down, offensively, defensively, special teams. I know we put in so much work over the past year from the off season, and I know that we're going to be working hard every single step of the way.
Just to lead my team, lead by example, and just hope for the best. All these kids are hardworking, so I'm really excited for this year. Yeah, we got a lot of experience. We got some wide receivers back. We also got some young guys stepping up, and I think we're going to move the ball much better than last year. We got unbelievable up front, O-line. They work hard every day, and we're going to have a good offense this year.
Well, our quarterback, 22, Sedato's back. We got a really strong back in Matthew Bergster returning. We got some few receivers returning and some young guys, some sophomores stepping up. And a line. Our O-line is great. Start coming back, so we're good all the way around.
Yeah, I think he's proven himself to be a great leader. He's worked tremendously hard in his game, constantly doing all the little things that he needs to do, and he's a dual threat where he can run and throw, and that makes it harder for defenses to prepare for him. The defensive line to start with Josh Briggs and Colin Lozzie right there is a great tandem that's going to make it tough for teams to block. And then you've got a good linebacking pair in Danny McCarthy and Joey Tepper, who had a great sophomore year last year. And then we've got a seasoned defensive backfield with Jake Fitzgerald and coming back along with Johnny McMillan, and we've got a very experienced defense. I think Stoughton's got a lot of great kids back. Foxborough's going to be very tough. You got Sharon, the defending champ. You've got Milford, who's unknown, and then you've got us in Canton in there. Everyone's trying to fight for their spot.
Yeah, it's known that it's pretty much out there for anyone, but we feel that we're going to work hard each week, and we're going to go get it.
Yeah, we got to fight for it. We can't look at any team like we're better than them. We can't look at any team like they're better than us. You know what I mean? We got to take every game as it is and play every game to our best of our abilities.
Just a team who worked hard, never gave up, and gave it everything we got every game.
I'm hoping toughness. I want to see a physical presence on both sides of the ball, and playing with a little chip on our shoulder and having a little bit of a nastiness to it.
That we are the hardest working team when we step on the field every play.